just ideal calving conditions of, you know, wet, cold, windy, snow.
Where are the country boys? Please subscribe. You better do it.
Well, we woke up to go check cows and pigs and got a little surprise. Not ideal weather for newborn calves, but I think they'll be doing fine. They're pretty tough. Hey, you're not supposed to be there.
The morning we were just gonna go feed the cows and got one cow out.
I don't know where you came from. Keep going, girl. Got her in. Hey, big boy. Hey.
I made something. So we were just rolling the hay bale down the hill, and then suddenly we saw a bald eagle just took some hay, and it's right up in there.
It's right there, yeah. It came soaring down and grabbed something out of the hay. I don't know if there's a mouse in there. Now it's sitting up in that tree. Huh. Alright, we rolled the hay bale down the hill for the cows. We got 2 cornstalk bales. What are we going to do with those?
We're gonna lay them out for the baby new calves for a nice warm bed because it snowed. Okay, so the day we were just doing some farm chores at the farm, and we just checking out the calves. I'm filming.
Alright, Bo, how many calves do you think we got today? New ones?
At least one more, probably.
One more calf?
Or
Yeah.
even more than one.
Right in the sun.
Okay, so we had 10 yesterday in here, and we got one more. Looks like those corn stalks worked good.
Yeah, look at they're laying right in the sun and the nice warm corn stalks. Good.
That was dry.
Good. Wake up.